Hey traders, welcome back. Here we are on the gold chart or XAUUSD chart, and it is daily time frame. As we had this triangle for the price, I told you that we can enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, or find a nice candle in the lower time frames like 1 hour time frame and put your stop loss below that somewhere here, and look for your reward, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. But right now, if we check the weekly time frame, we have a really strong resistance in front of the price. As you can see, this level is a really strong level and really important. If the price can touch it, and if we see some nice candles on lower time frames like daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, and even 15 minute, 5 minute time frame, we can risk on that and enter some sell positions, okay? Because there will be some opportunities there. But if the price can break it to the upside and close a candle up there on weekly time frame, then we can say gold price can continue going up, and then we can wait for some trend lines to be broken to the upside. Then we can actually enter buy position in the uptrend. Let's check daily time frame to see what we have. I showed you, this candle is actually making itself a kind of pin bar. If this candle can close like this or not like this, body must be a bit smaller somewhere here. If it can close like a pin bar, a shadow from upside and a small body, then we can actually risk on that and enter sell position. Why? Because of this one here. We have this resistance for the price. If we check 4 hour time frame, it will be more clear. We have this resistance for the price. The price was going up and touches a level and starts falling. We draw this resistance line. In the future, the price returns to that level and makes a rejection from this level here, okay? Right now we can risk on that and enter sell position, but it's better to wait for the daily candle to be closed. Then we can actually start thinking that is this worth it to enter sell position or not. If it can close like this, I don't enter sell position because I mostly don't enter long-term positions, but for educational side and live trades, for actually testing my strategy, I can enter in the demo, okay? If the body of the candle can close smaller somewhere here, and this candle can close like a pin bar, then we can risk on that and enter sell position. But right now we should just wait for something like 5 hours and 20 minutes to see how this candle is gonna be closed. Let's check 1 hour time frame to see what we have there. We can actually imagine a trend line like this one here, like this, and when we see these shadows we extend it, and again we have this trend line too with the break of it to the downside. We can risk on that and enter sell position on 1 hour time frame. Let's check 15 minute time frame. Let's see what we have. We can actually imagine this level as a support for the price in lower time frame. Why? The price touched it 2 times. The price was falling and it makes a correction and touches a level and starts falling again, okay? So this can be a nice level of resistance. In the future, the price rejects from that level and again, so showing that this level is true and correct. Right now the price is exactly on that, and it gave us a pin bar here like this one. Right now we can risk on that, not here. We should have entered here, okay, not here, because our stop loss is getting bigger. Risk is getting bigger, so our reward should be at least 2. Then it is actually hard to actually get our reward. On 5 minute time frame, let's see what we have. Again a pin bar on the 5 minute time frame. Nothing special. 1 minute time frame, my favorite time frame to see what we have. We can actually imagine a trend line like this. When we see, we connect this one to this one here, and when we see these shadows, we extend it. Oh my god. And wait for the next candles to break it to the downside, then we can actually enter sell position in that case. Put our stop loss above the candles and get our reward. Thanks for watching today's analysis of gold or XAUUSD. Let's move to the next part, the education part. And if you are interested in learning trading, you can watch that part. Every day I upload videos. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of gold or XAUUSD in the upcoming days by technical side. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. On the first position, as you can see, we had this resistance for the price was going up. We don't care, it is a resistance in the past of the market or not. The touches on a resistance is not important for me. As like trend lines, it is not like a trend line, okay? The more touch on that, it is more important. It is not like that. Resistance is just like this. The price was going up and touches a level and it starts falling. So this is a level of resistance for me, okay? If you have this kind of mindset, you can actually enter buy and sell positions based on that. You can see the results here, I show you the results actually. And of course it has a stop loss, no, actually we don't have any 100% actually sure. We are never 100% sure in markets, actually financial markets, and we should actually manage our money and positions and such things. As we had this resistance for the price returns to that level, and when we see that shadow from upside continued with a red candle, it is actually a pin bar in 15-minute time frame, okay? I can't just switch because I will lose this place here. Then we can enter here, put our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, which the price of course gives us our reward somewhere here. But also we can wait for a trend line like this to be broken somewhere here. Then we can enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward too, which the price gives us a reward of 5.5 somewhere here, which is a nice reward. And let me tell you that it doesn't mean that we should take all 5 reward here, okay? Some people close it on reward 4, RR3, RR2. It means that this position had the potential to give us a reward of 5.5, okay? On the second position, we did have this trend line which was broken here, so we enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 3. On the trade 3, we did have this actually triangle which was broken here to the downside, so we can risk on that and enter sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, or you can put it here, you could actually, and look for your reward, which the price gives us a reward of a bit lesser than 3 somewhere here on these shadows here, okay? And even more than that if you could close your position somewhere here, something like, I don't know, 4.5 and a bit more than that. On the trade 4, we did have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. When we see this candle breaks it to the upside, if I can actually do like this, we can risk on that and enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candles and look for our reward, which the price gives us a reward of 3 somewhere here. Do we have any other positions or not? Actually, we could enter a buy position here too. In 1 minute time frame, it is actually much easier to find trend lines in a trend like this one. With the break of it here, we could enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candle and get our reward. Or this one here, a nice actually compression broken here, so we enter buy position, set our stop loss and it gives us our reward. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of gold or XAUUSD in the upcoming days by technical side. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.